Hey guys, welcome to another video. We are going for a walk today on the trail. We are going to be doing the fall hiking spree here in our area, and you have to walk at least 8 trails to get a walking stick in your first badge, and I will insert a picture of the walking stick in this video that we are hoping to get, and this is going to be a part of our PE. Okay, so we're going to take you guys along with us as we hit different trails, and okay, I'll wait. So we're going to take you guys along with us as we hit different trails and just show you parts of our area in the different parks.
I found an acorn.
You found an acorn in different parts of our area and different trails.
We should mark that off.
We should mark that off. You're right.
So we don't forget.
I'll mark it off in a moment. We are doing this scavenger hunt, and we're not going to do everything on here today, and we might not do everything at this trail. We might break it up and try to find things at different trails. So, but yep, so we're out here. We're on the We're on the rugged trail right now. Yeah.
There's a root.
There is a root.
Looks like something collided in here. Or something dug it up and took half of the root apart.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
See?
Yep, I see what you're saying.
I don't see the other part of it.
So yeah, so we're just going to bring you guys along with us as we do the hiking spree for this fall. Like I said, it's a part of our PE. And there's definitely going to be some chatting. Thank you. There's going to be some chatting with Little and me while we are on the trail. So, alright guys. I'll see you in the next clip. Bye. So, you know, you got to take all of these things out, and then you got to try to guess what bug or insect it is. So what do you have? What was in the box? And then you can lift this up to see if your guess is correct. So let's see. See you next month. Okay, so what is this?
It's big.
Well, it's big. This is a airline ticket. Where is it saying that the plane is departing from? What state?
Ohio to Butterfly.
What kind
Monarch.
of? Check and see if you're right.
Yes.
You got it right.
Butterfly.
9. Can you find 9?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. Okay. So far we have found a chipmunk, a gray squirrel, and an acorn. We're going to try to find a couple more things. Be careful. And today was the first day of Little's homeschool science class. And today they learned about, what did you guys learn about? Ants. What did you learn? Can you tell me one thing that you remember? Ants are strong. Okay. Okay, tell me one more thing.
They eat dead stuff or other dead bugs.
Okay.
They also defend themselves against intrusion.
Okay. And as we walk along the way, there's some signs like this that tell you about some of the trees that are common in this area or even in the state that we live in. So here's one right now, which is the sugar maple.
Six.
2-6, good job. So how you doing over there?
Great.
You're doing great. All right.
I only have 2 more left.
You only have 2 more left. And I am working on this wall of our tower that we've been working on.
Yep.
So, and then
My tower.
Your tower, yep. You gave me the instructions and you told me what to do.
Mostly grown-ups do that. Kids.
And I start putting the walls, assembling them, and then you help to assemble the walls all on the foundation. So what was the fraction secret code? What does it read?
The dog has a cold nose.
Good job. All right.
And I did it all capital letters.
You did it all capital letters. Good job. All right. Now you can move on to spelling while I work on this next wall for you.
We're building a skyscraper
Mm-hmm.
with popsicle sticks.
Mm-hmm. And what are we doing right now?
Gluing.
Gluing what? Hold on.
Gluing the walls together.
Gluing the walls together. This project has taken us a long time. When did we start this project, Little?
I can't remember.
Well, what season?
Summer?
We started in the summer. And we only got 2 levels done. It's a lot of glue sticks. And it is very messy. Very messy. But we're going to complete this year. And we'll be back. What are we doing now, Little?
I'm working this so we can put on the roof.
Mm-hmm. So we can put on the roof. And what type of roof are we trying to do?
A pointed one.
A pointed one, like your
like a pyramid.
like a pyramid.
Mm-hmm.
So like your plans that you drew out.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what we're trying to do. So we'll be back when it's done.
Mm-hmm. To show you all.
So we are still working on the roof.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're getting the point. We're getting our point of our roof, and like I said, we use a lot. We used a lot of glue. I'm gonna have to try to. I'm going to try to go through here and take some of the stringy bits off. And we tried to get the nicer parts to be on the outside and the more messy parts of the walls to be on the inside. So, but yeah, we used a lot of glue sticks. This was messy.
It wasn't simple with the two ones that we started with.
Yeah. All right, we'll be back. We got to add a little bit more, and we'll be back when we are completely done. We are done. And his roof came out the way he wanted it to. It's got the point that he had in his plans that he drew out right here. So, Little, can you hold your plans right next to it so we can see both of them together? Thank you.
It doesn't look exactly what I was hoping for because this would take a little more longer.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
But we did it.
We did it. Yeah, he had, as you can see.
We did this floor today and then we did the top today.
Yep. So as you can see, he had more floors, but it took us a while.
Changed my mind.
Yeah, it took us a while to do this. So we decided to stop at 3. And here's his roof. But I'm proud of him. It was it took a lot of time and patience, and there was times where I had to, you know, take over a little bit and give him a break, but we got it done. Like I said, I'm gonna try to.
It's like a Japanese structure with all those things going out like that.
Okay.
See foundations. Like
Oh,
Japanese structure.
you're right. You're right. You're right. That's a good comparison.